Jackson, now you don't score one goal. Well, I go tell Mikel Obi shut up. Yes, now go tell Mikel Obi shut up. If I try, see, if you don't even try that rubbish, you score which one goal? One goal, no be tapping, you score. Yes, now go you score. Tapping, what are tapping on the but you score which one goal? How many goal you miss? If you try shut up anything, if you try talk any rubbish, shut up. No, just if you don't respect yourself, just respect yourself. Carry your one goal with the frustration wey you give us today. How many one-on-one wey you miss today? How many one-on-one you miss today? Now you wan go, if you try do that, him don tell you na score, then tell me shut up. Na wetin you wan dey do now? As he say you don turn am score, you don score one goal na normally he promise you say any day wey you score come tell am shut up, no wahala. And now you don score, go tell am shut up now. Make go come. I know you like talk bad against players, but Jackson, where you just respect yourself, just dey on low key, do as if nothing happen, because you played, you give up, you scored a goal, fine, you scored a goal, but you miss many chances. This is not the kind of striker a big team like Chelsea need. Yes, I know you develop. I trust you go develop. I know say you will do well. Jackson will do well. But the thing is, just respect yourself by not even going to your social media and just post yourself that goal is score, finish, rest. No just go do talk any rubbish. We go warrant people now to they talk anyhow against you. Because you now when they say Mikel Obi don't give you license now, say if you score now, make you come tell and shut up. No go tell how many shut up, because how many chances say you miss? This time you miss about 3 or 4 what if you remember 3 or 4 chances what if you remember one-on-one wey you just carry ball balloon ball wey you play rubbish clinical striker no go miss Haaland. That one-on-one Haaland no fit miss that striker. I fit bet only you go bet Haaland na that goal in dey use shine. Haaland hat-trick, in dey score hat-trick, dey do this one, and na that goal in dey use shine. You go miss, see boy, you see the kind of ball wey you dey miss. Now you wan go, where you respect yourself, respect yourself. No just go say you wan go dey tell Mikel Obi make you shut up or this thing. Oga, you don score one goal, fine. Your nice go say you score that goal, good one for you. But Ogo the goal na free goal, but good one for you, good one. Nice tapping, that is your work as a striker. Whether he's tapping or not tapping, whether your own, our owner just put the ball into the net as a striker wey you be, put the ball and you did exactly well. Is it exactly well in that particular aspect? But you miss chances. You to say you dey clinical today, at least those 2 chances wey you get, you score like 1 inside those 2 chances. Then if you go tell am shut up, you go know say yes, he wants the shut up. No go tell am shut up, no go tell am shut up. Make fans no come for you, because the anger wey dem dey keep now, dey swallow the anger of the chances wey you miss today. The anger wey dem dey keep, nobody dey talk about am. So just rest. Just rest. No go come say now you wan go dey tell Mikel Obi shut up, come dey do Mikel Obi. Oga, rest o, rest. Just respect yourself. I like the thing make you just go. You score the goal, nice one for you, Jackson. Good play for you. I know say you go improve, but you miss many chances today. You disappoint me today. The Chelsea suppose get at least my over 1.5 court, so no carry me play. If you talk anyhow, over 1.5. If I remember that ticket, I go do 10 video for your head. Share this particular video, drop it in the comment section. I see my boyfriend begin 60 scalable. May go tell and shut up, I may not tell and shut up. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.